Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2014 Ford Escape. We start our walk around on the driver's side, taking a look at the tires there, giving you an idea of the tread that's left on that. Just looking for any dents, dings, scratches. Do our best to point any of those out. Overall driver's side looks good. Coming around to the back, always looking for scraping and scratching at the bumpers, any signs of prior accidents or repair. The rear looks great. And then coming up the passenger side, just a couple real thin little spots there. Just a little spot right there. Overall exterior looks good. Taking a look now at the interior, we do have full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice black leather seating. Your miles, 95,638. It does have all your information, climate control, all that functionality right here, very easy to get to. All powered by Sony. It is an automatic, all-wheel drive. You do have heated front seats, and then all the flooring surfaces will be black, great for not showing any staining. Taking a look now in the second row, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seats, showing you there's no signs of any damage or tearing there. And then looking through the floorboard, you do have rear air controls back here as well as some power ports. Taking a look in the cargo area, just look around here, give you an idea what kind of space you'll have here. These back seats do lay down, and then all your spare tires stored underneath the floorboard back here. Coming in from the passenger side now, take one more look around. There is an integrated armrest back here in the back seat for a little added comfort. And then we'll go ahead and put this seat down for you, just showing you that additional cargo space you get for pass-through storage. Into the second row here. We'll finish up in the front passenger seat. One more look over those seating surfaces. We'll take one more fly around the back of the vehicle, and that'll wrap up your 2014 Ford Escape.